YouTube, what's going on? It's Skywise back on our video. So we broke another tie rod on Grayson's four-wheeler. He's the Renegade, just staring us down. So we're gonna fix it really quick. I got a bolt, and I got a nut, and I got a couple tools. Let's fix it. It's like freaking 15 degrees out here. I'm making this video. It is cold, so I'm gonna put this nut through this hole right here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it right in there. As you can see, it's gonna go in that little thing right there, and it's gonna go through another hole on the arm, and then it should come out on the bottom. And then you'll use this nut. You'll go right underneath it, and then you're gonna get your ratchet, and you're gonna just tighten it down.
Yep.
Alright, so I just basically put that bolt through it. I put the nut in the bottom, it held up with my hand, and I threaded it into the nut, and then I got pliers and I held the nut and I used the electric ratchet to tighten it. So I probably should use some Loctite when doing it, but it's like 15 degrees out here. It's cold as shit. My hand was about to fall off, so it's probably only on there temporarily, but it's good enough. He's happy, and it's crazy, man. This weather, dude, it was just like 60 out the other day. I had my R6 out, and now I'm struggling to fix a freaking tie rod on an electric four-wheeler. Yeah. I was getting ready to freaking winch it, but oh my gosh, man. But anyways, yeah, that's how you guys fix that. So hopefully it doesn't happen to you guys, but these things come assembled like a piece of shit. So yeah, so anyways, yeah, check out the other videos. We have reviews, we have plenty of shit up on the channel, that thing, and check out all of our other content too. So appreciate you guys for watching. Just wanted to show you quickly how I do that.